In the article Missile Gap Cold War, the author contends the alleged missile gap had a significant effect on the presidential election of 1960. As the article states, the missile gap became one of the major issues in Kennedy's presidential campaign. Kennedy agrees with President Eisenhower that the United States military is stronger than the Soviets, but he was also convinced that the U.S. military program was lagging behind that of the Soviets, and that soon the United States would be inferior to the Soviet Union in the field, which shows how Kennedy used his missile gap during his campaign to criticize Eisenhower's defense policies, and by doing so also criticized Vice President Richard Nixon, who was Kennedy's opponent, although one might assume that the missile gap was only an issue of foreign policies. Because of its influence on the presidential election in 1960, it is clear that the missile gap also had an influence on U.S. domestic issues.